Hello everyone, welcome back to my Diamond Addiction. This is the Taeler edition. We had somebody from Amazon that saw Taeler's video and messaged me and asked if she could do a review on one of their products. I know what's in here, she doesn't know what's in here. These are the best videos, I love these. So you're going to get raw emotion on opening because she literally does not know what's in here. So, here is Taeler in all of her excitement. Go ahead, T. Hey, this is your video. Don't forget you gotta talk to him.
Hi. That's the way to start it. What is this?
I don't know. They can't see it. You've got it completely out of camera.
A bunch of Squishies. Here's a panda.
Go ahead and take it out of the bag and then show them and tell them what you do with them.
Oh, it's already open. Not smell. So you squish it. And it rises. There's actually two more. There's a panda. Look at the cute dinosaur. Roar, roar. Dinosaur. Same. Yes. Squish it. That one feels more so. And comes in these baggies that are already open. Here's like a shark. Yeah, a shark. They should add like...
You should scoot over here so you're... There you go. In camera. There we go.
They should add red. Because sharks' teeth are red. Sometimes.
Okay, so what do you do with these things?
You take your hand and squish them. How easy. Like this.
And do you like these?
Yeah.
Do you think that other kids would like these?
Yeah.
How old are you?
7.
You're 7? And you like these squishies?
Yeah.
That panda bear is adorable. I'm just saying. That's cute.
I like these two. I just like the color. And I like the tail and the ears on this. It looks like the movie from Panda. Panda Bear.
Kung Fu Panda?
Yeah. Kung Fu Panda. Oh, he does Kung Fu. Ha! It's funny. If you don't know what it is, you should watch it. It's really fun.
Okay, do you have anything else to say about the toys?
I love these and I keep wanting these because they're squishy and I can play with them when I wake up at night.
And how many squishies do you have right now? Not counting these ones that you just got. How many other squishies do you have?
0.
That's not true. You have your cupcake.
1.
Only one? Is that the truth? Because I don't remember. I just remember buying you the cupcake.
And I have small ones that I lost. 2 small ones.
2 small ones that you can't find now?
Yeah.
Alright, so there you go.
Squeaky, squeak, squeak.
I will put the information right here as to how much they cost. I'll put the link down in the description. Thank you all for watching Taeler's unboxing and description of Squishies. Alright, thank you all for watching and subscribing. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section down below. And we will see you in the next one.
Bye.